Hello everyone, I am K. Yogeshwar, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. In the previous session, we have discussed integration by parts method. Based on this method, we have discussed some problems. Let us continue the session in this session also. Isn't this, let us solve this problem. Evaluate integral x into sin square x into dx. Here also we have two different kinds of functions. X is one function and sin square x is another function, right? Then which value we have to take as u and which value we have to take as d. Before going to discuss that, here we have sin square x, right? We have conditions for sin x, cos x values. So let us write this sin square x as let us write this sin square x value as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Right? Formula of sin square x is what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Now, let us multiply these two terms. First write this 2 outside. That means here you will get 1 by 2 right outside. Then x into 1. X minus x into cos 2x. X into cos 2x into dx. Now, let us make this integral separate. So, first term will be 1 by 2 into integral x into dx minus 1 by 2 into integral x into cos 2x dx. Right? First, let us consider this integral as I. This is I value. Okay. Now, here we have integral x into dx. Directly we can write this integration of x value. But what is integral of x into cos 2x dx? Again, in this integral, we have two different kinds of functions. One is x and another is cos 2x. Right? So again, we have to use this integration by parts method for this function. So let us consider this integral. Write this down as is minus 1 by 2. Here, consider this total integral as I1. Okay, so this is I. So let us consider this integral as I1. Where I1 value is what? Where I1 is integral x into cos 2x dx. Okay, so let us solve this I1 first and consider this as equation number 1. Okay, let us solve this I1. I1 equals to what? Integral x into cos 2x dx. That is I1 value, right? Now, here, what is u value? What's the order? ILH. Here, algebraic function, trigonometric function. So, in the island, A comes first. So, let us take u equal to x. Okay, then remaining two values, cos 2x and dx as dv. Cos 2x into dx. Then we require du value. So, du equals to dx. Now, here, integral dv equals to integration of cos 2x dx. That equals to b equals to integration of cos 2x is what? Sin 2x by 2. We have to write x coefficient in the denominator. So that is v value. Okay. Now I1 integral by equals to what? X into cos 2x dx, which is in the form of integral u dv. Right? The u into dv. So what is the formula? uv minus integral v into dv. So let us substitute here I1 equals to u value x and v is sin 2x by 2 minus integral again v sin 2x by 2 into du dx. Okay, we have substituted uv and du values in the given formula in the formula. Okay, then let us simplify it. So let us simplify. First of all, you get x by 2 minus I1 value. X by 2 into sin 2x. Then minus, write 2 outside. Minus 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x into dx. Now we have again integration of sin 2x there. So what is integration of sin 2x? Minus cos 2x by 2 plus c constant of integration. That is I1 equals to x by 2 into sin 2x. Here 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4, and minus is minus plus. So 1 by 4 into cos 2x plus c. So that is which value? I1 value. Right? So let us substitute this I1 value. Substitute I1 in equation number 1. Okay. So what is equation number 1? So what is equation number 1? I equals to 1 by 2 integral x into dx minus I1. Right? This minus 1 by 2 integral. Okay. Now let us substitute I1 value. So 1 by 2 into integration of x is x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into I1. What is I1 value? Write this. X by 2 into sin 2x here plus cos 2x by 4 plus constant of integration c. Okay. Let us multiply this with 1 by 2 and simplify. So that will be the required solution for the given integral. Okay. So let us see one more problem based on this method. Evaluate integral x into sin 2x dx. Evaluate integral x into sin 2x dx. Here we have to take the sin 2x is a trigonometric function and x is algebraic function. So by using order, a comes first. So let u equal to x, then dv equal to sin 2x dx. Let's solve the problem together. Okay. Let us take one more problem. Evaluate integral x square into e power of 3x dx. Here we have one algebraic function and exponential function. In the order, a comes first, algebraic comes first. So first, let us take this x square as u, the remaining two terms as dv. Okay. Then here we require du value. So differentiation of x square is 2x into dx. The integral dv equals to integral e power of 3x into dx. Integral dv means v. Integration of e power of 3x is e power of 3x by 3. Now let us take the integral x square into e power of 3x into dx. Okay, so which is the form of integral u dv? What is the formula? U v minus integral v du. Apply this formula. So I equals to u value x square and v is e power of 3x by 3 minus integral v is e power of 3x by 3 into du is 2x into dx. Right? Then simplify x square by 3 into e power of 3x. Then write this 2 by 3 outside. So minus 2 by 3 into integral e power of 3x into x into dx. E power of 3x into x into dx. Now x square by 2 into e power of 3x minus 2 by 3 right outside. Again we have integral x into e power of dx. Okay. So right, consider that value as I1. So where I1 is what? Integral x into e power of dx into dx. That is I1. Consider this value as equation number 1. Now let us solve the equation number 1. I1. That is integral x into e power of dx into dx. Again, u value will be x and dv equals to e power of dx into dx. Next, du equals to dx and here v equal to e power of 3x by 3 by integrating, right? Then use the formula integral u dv equals to uv minus integral v du. So let us use this formula. Okay. Then this integral I1, then integral I1 becomes substitute the formula, substitute in this formula u into v. So what is u value? X into v value is e power of 3x by 3 minus integral v value is e power of 3x by 3 into du. So du value is dx. Okay. Now x by 3 into e power of 3x. Now write this 3 outside. Integral of e power of 3x into dx. Again, what is integral of e power of 3x? X by 3 into e power of 3x minus 1 by 3 into integration of e power of 3x is e power of 3x by 3 plus constant of integration. That is which value? I1 value. Okay. Now substitute this I1. Substitute this I1 in equation number 1. So where equation number 1 is what? I is equal to x square by 2 e power of 3x minus 2 by 3 into I1. That is equation number 1, right? So let us substitute this I1 value. X square by 2 into e power of 3x minus 2 by 3 into I1. So what is I1? X by 3 into e power of 3x, so 3 into 3, 9, e power of 3x by 9 plus c. Right? So that is integral. This is the integral of given function. Clear? If exponential function and algebraic function are there, by using the order I gave, you have to take algebraic function as u first, then remaining two values as d. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Evaluate integral x into e power of minus 4x into dx. Evaluate integral x into e power of minus 4x into dx. Solve this problem similarly. Next question. Evaluate integral x cube into log x dx. Evaluate integral x cube into log x dx. Here one algebraic function, then logarithmic function. Right? By using the order I laid, which comes first? Logarithmic function, then algebraic function. So first we have to take u as log x, because logarithmic comes first by using order I laid, right? Then dv equal to remaining two terms x cube into dx. So du value dv differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. Then integral dv equals to integral x cube into dx. That is d equal to x to the power of 4. That is d value, right? d equal to x to the power of 4 by 4. Now take the integral. I equal to integral x cube into log x dx, which is in the form of integral u into dv. What is the part of uv minus integral v du? uv minus integral v du. Substitute the values. What is u? Log x into v, x to the power of 4 by 4 minus integral v, x to the power of 4 by 4 into du. Du is 1 by x into dx. Okay, let us cancel one here. Then write this value x to the power of 1 by 4 into log x. Then here you will get x cube and minus 1 by 4 outside. So minus 1 by 4 into integral x cube into dx. So x to the power of 1 by 4 into log x minus 1 by 4 into integral of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4 into plus constant of integration c. That equals to x to the power of 4 by 4 into log x. Here 4 into 4 is 16. So x to the power of 4 by 16 plus c. That is which value? I value the given integral. Right? So that is the integral of given function. Next, let us see one more problem. Evaluate integral of e power of ax into cos bx dx. Okay. So listen this problem carefully because its solution will be used as formula. Very important formula. Okay. See, observe the given question. E power of ax into cos bx dx is there. E power of ax is an exponential function and cos bx is a trigonometric function. So which comes first? Trigonometry. So we have to take cos bx as u. Let u equal to cos bx, then dv equal to e power of ax into dx. Then du. So differentiation of cos bx is what? Minus sin bx into exponent b into dx. Then integral dv equals to integral e power of ax into dx. That is d equals to integration of e power of ax is e power of ax by a. In the integration, we have to write this exponent in the denominator. In the differentiation, we have to write exponent as a product. Okay, remember the difference. Then take the integral I e power of ax into cos bx dx, which is in the form of integral u dv. What is the formula? U minus integral v du. Okay, so let us substitute in this formula. So I equals to u. What is u? Cos bx into v e power of ax by a minus integral v e power of ax by a into du. Du value is what? Minus sin bx into v into dx. Okay, then simplify this value. Here you will get e power of ax by a cos bx. Next, here minus into minus plus. Here b is a constant, and a also constant. So write constant outside. So you will get b by a integral e power of ax into sin bx dx. Right? Again we got same term integral e power of ax into sin bx dx. So to evaluate this term, again we have to use integration by part. Okay. So let us consider that value as I1. Where I equals to e to the power of ax by a into cos bx plus b by a into I1. Consider that value as I1. Where I1 value is what? Where I1 equals to integral e power of ax into sin bx dx. That is I1. Consider it as equation number 1. Okay. So let us take I1 value. So I1 equal to integral e power of ax into sin bx dx. Now again same e power of ax exponential function, sin bx is trigonometric function. So we have to take u equal to sin bx and dv equals to e power of ax into dx. Similarly, we have to solve this. Similarly, so here we will get so integral I1 becomes, which is in the form of integral u dv. Write the formula here. up minus integral v du. That is the formula. Okay. Substitute here. First u into v. What is u? Sin bx into v. What is v? E power of ax. Sorry. We have to find these values, two values. U we know and dv we know. So we have to find du value first. What will be du? This is u sin bx. So du value will be differentiation of sin bx. What will be differentiation of sin bx? Cos bx and exponent b. So into b into dx. Then to find b, integrate. So integral dv equals to, okay. Then here v equals to integration of e power of ax to b e power of ax by a. Let's see for e power of ax by a. Then we have to use that form. So integral I1 becomes u into v. What is u? Sin bx into v. That is e power of ax by a minus integral v e power of ax by a into du. What is du? Cos bx into v into dx. Okay. Here e power of ax by a sin bx. Now b is a constant and a is a constant. So write this outside. This minus b by a integral e power of ax into cos bx dx. That is which value? I1 value. If you observe this integral, integral e power of ax cos bx into dx is there. So what, which is this value? Our given equation, right? So that is nothing but this is I. So let us consider I1 equals to e to the power of ax by a into sin bx minus b by a into I. So only I. So this total value is what? The given integral I. Okay. So that is I1 value. Substitute I1 in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute I1 value in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? So equation number 1 is what? I is equal to e to the power of ax by a cos bx plus b by a into I1. That is equation number 1, right? So this is equation number 1. So let us substitute I1 value here. E power of ax by a into cos bx plus b by a into I1. So what is I1 value here? Substitute here. E power of ax by a into sin bx, then minus b by a into I. Okay. Now here e power of ax by a into cos bx plus multiply with b by a inside. B by a into first term. A in the denominator we have a square. A, so a becomes a square. So b by a square into e power of ax sin bx. Then b by a into second term. Plus into minus b by a into b by a. B square by a square into I. Here which value is I value. Okay. Then here we have I, here also we have I. So let us take this total term to LHS. Okay. So it becomes I plus b square by a square into I is equals to e power of ax by a cos bx plus b by a square into e power of ax sin bx. Now from these two take I common. So if you take I common, what will be 1 plus b square by a square is equals to same term. Okay. Then take LCM. 1 plus b square by a square. What is LCM? A square into LCM. Then simplify. Here I into So 1 plus b square by a square. LCM will be a square, and here you will get a square plus b square. That equals to RHS by axis e power of ax by a into cos bx plus b by a square into e power of ax into sin bx. But we need to find only I value, that's integral value, given integral value. That is I equals to, take this total term to RHS. So it becomes a square by a square plus b square into, it will multiply this total two terms, right? So a square by a square plus b square into e power of ax by a into cos bx plus b by a square into e power of ax into sin bx. Okay, so that is the integral of given function. Okay, here I is nothing but what? Integral e power of ax into cos bx dx. That value is what? E power of ax by a square plus b square into e power of ax by a cos bx plus b by a square e power of ax into sin bx. It is the integral of integration e power of ax cos bx dx. Okay, so we have to remember this as a formula. It will be used as formula to solve some problems. Okay, so remember this formula. So integration of e power of ax cos bx dx formula is what? E power of ax by a square plus b square into e power of ax by a cos bx plus b by a square into e power of ax sin bx. Okay, so that is the formula of integral e power of ax into cos bx. Similarly, integral e power of ax into sin bx dx will be there. So we have to solve this problem. Okay, to solve this problem, you will get this one e to the power of ax by a square minus b square into e power of ax by a sin bx minus b by a square into e power of ax cos bx. Okay, so this is integral of e power of ax sin bx dx value. So remember these two formulas, it will be used for to solve some problems further. Okay, and solve this problem. Okay, so with this, let us end this session. In the next session, we will discuss some more problems. Okay, thank you. Bye.